there! In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until we will find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it, here scroll down again until you'll find this button Reset. Click on it, here scroll down and click on this button Factory Data Reset. Click on it and here you'll see the list with all of the data that will be deleted from your phone, because Factory Data Reset wipes all of the changes that you have made from your phone since you have firstly turned it on. So we would need to scroll down, click Reset, here enter our current PIN code if you have any, then continue and click Delete All. If you have logged in into your Samsung account, you would also need to verify yourself. So I'll be right back. So after you will enter your password and then click OK, your phone will automatically start the factory reset, and after a few whiles it will be turned on again in the condition that you have firstly saw it when you have opened the box with your phone. And this is it for today. I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.